Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about top 5 romance plus MILF anime that you need to watch. And before we move ahead, please guys don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. On number 5 we have Love Live! School Idol Project. Otenokizaka High School is in an emergency. With the quantity of selecting understudies dropping lower and lower each year, the school is set to close down after its present first year's graduate. Be that as it may, second year Oneka Kosaka will not release it without a battle. Scanning for an answer, she goes over mainstream school icon Buncha Rise and decides to make a school symbol gathering of her own. With the assistance of her beloved companion Zumi Sonoda and Kotri Manami, Oneka structures to help mindfulness and notoriety of her school. And on number 4 place we've got Lingeries. As Yusuke Nakonishi starts his new job at the best beauty body lingerie company, he has no idea that he will be embroiled in a web of business and beep intrigue. Nakonishi is on the prowl after 3 of his sexy co-workers, around whom this beep drama spirals, as part of a mission to disrupt and eliminate an opposing factions cohorts. The animation is good for a hentai title, and all of the female characters are attractive, which is required for this genre of anime. The plot is fairly standard for this genre of anime: blackmail for something the main male protagonist appears to desire. It's a good drama with an interesting story. This hentai is one of those old but gold hentai. It has the typical feel of classic hentai, but what makes it unique is the company lingerie is never used much in hentai plot, and the characters are really interesting despite the fact that there aren't that many episodes to introduce their backstories. And before we move ahead, almost 96% of guys are not subscribed. So please subscribe for more videos. Coming up on the number 3 place we have Stringendo. A tale about how each popular high school girl ended up having beef with some of the less popular guys. Beep is their own personal temptation for desire and lust that they are unable to control. Every non-popular guy in the world has fantasized about having beep relations with the most popular and attractive girl in school. This is exactly what this hentai is for. Bold, beautiful babes and BJ of the finest quality. Stringendo is unquestionably one of the greatest hentai series ever created. Stringendo differs from most other hentai series in that it maintains a consistently high level of quality over a large number of episodes compared to the norm. The characters in the hentai are likable and have distinct personalities. The girls in this hentai aren't just tits on the screen, they're real and genuine. Despite this, they're all constantly horny and looking for aggressive beep. On the number 2 place we have Amakano. Even though it was only the end of November, Yume's Machi, a hot springs town, was already looking like a winter wonderland due to the falling snow. Yuki moved to the snowy town to assist his grandparents in shoveling snow at their home, Yamanuchi-su, a former boarding house. He met many kind people, including Sayuki, a shrine maiden concerned about her inability to properly greet strangers, Mizuki, his mysterious but playful housemate, and Senpai, and Koharu, the cheerful and energetic Kohai mascot of the local cafe. Even though he was still lost, he made an effort to adjust to life in this snowy land. At the time, his grandfather advised him to find love while he was still young and start a new life. It's now or never for him to take the plunge and fall in love. And on the number 1 spot we've got Tamashi Insath. Naoto Takahashi's father remarried half a year ago, and he still hasn't gotten used to his new family members, his stepmother, Sachiko, and his new little sister, Yui. He gets an app that allows him to take over someone else's body one night as he tries to figure out how to make amends with his sister. The story of possession or smartphone app. Powers is not a new one, but it hasn't been animated or featured as prominently or in such high quality as this show. Because the majority of the situations in which the MC finds himself are unexpected or novel, having the story told in a way that allows the viewer to absorb and evaluate the information on their own rather than being told to them straight up is very refreshing. The characters, unlike in other hentai, are quite memorable. Even the MC, who is usually just a placeholder for the audience member to place themselves in. The main character is reflected more in terms of thoughts and logic due to the circumstances of the possessions, which adds a nice depth to the show. Overall,
Okay, I'm gonna take screenshots of the stat page, the weapon page.